from lab to patient, the journey of a disease cure. In the ongoing battle against diseases, the journey from laboratory discovery to an effective cure reaching patients is a complex and intricate process. It involves numerous stages of research, development, testing, and regulatory approvals, spanning many years and often decades. This journey represents a collaborative effort among scientists, clinicians, pharmaceutical companies, regulatory bodies, and patients themselves. Understanding this journey sheds light on the challenges and triumphs of medical progress. You are watching Zoom Hospital Channel, and I am Dr. Kayode. Step 1. The spark of discovery. It all begins in the laboratory, where researchers explore the fundamental mechanisms of diseases and search for potential therapies. This stage can involve various scientific disciplines, including biology, chemistry, genetics, and pharmacology. Breakthroughs in understanding disease mechanisms or identifying promising drug candidates often originate from this fundamental research. Step 2. Preclinical development done in the lab and in animals. Once a potential treatment is identified, it undergoes preclinical testing. This phase involves experiments conducted in vitro in the laboratory and in vivo in animals to evaluate the safety, efficacy, and pharmacokinetics of the drug candidate. Researchers assess its effects on cells, tissues, and animal models of the disease to gather crucial data necessary for advancing to human trials. Preclinical studies also help researchers optimize the formulation and dosage of the drug candidate. Step 3. Clinical trials. The bridge to patients. Clinical trials simply mean the drug will be tested on humans. Throughout the clinical trial process, researchers work closely with regulatory agencies such as the Food and Drug Administration in the United States or the European Medicines Agency in Europe to ensure that the trials adhere to strict ethical and safety standards. These agencies play a crucial role in reviewing trial protocols, monitoring data, and ultimately deciding whether a treatment can be approved for wider use. Clinical trials are conducted in several phases to evaluate the safety and efficacy of the investigational drug in humans, and it usually takes a lot of years. Phase 1 trials primarily focus on assessing safety and determining the appropriate dosage levels. If deemed safe, the drug progresses to Phase 2 trials, where researchers examine its efficacy and gather preliminary evidence of its therapeutic benefits in patients with the target disease. Phase 3 trials involve larger patient populations and further evaluate the drug's effectiveness, safety, and potential side effects compared to existing treatments or a placebo. The journey of new drug development is inherently uncertain, and many potential treatments may fail to demonstrate efficacy or safety in clinical trials. Step 4. Regulatory approval. Before a new treatment can reach patients, it must receive regulatory approval from government agencies, such as the Food and Drug Administration. These agencies rigorously evaluate the data from clinical trials to ensure the drug's safety, efficacy, and quality. Regulatory approval is granted only when the benefits of the treatment outweigh its risks, based on substantial scientific evidence. Step 5. Manufacturing, distribution, and patient access. If a treatment successfully completes clinical trials and receives regulatory approval, it enters the final stages of the journey: manufacturing, distribution, and patient access. Pharmaceutical companies ramp up production of the treatment to meet demand, ensuring quality control and adherence to regulatory standards. Simultaneously, healthcare providers and systems prepare to integrate the new treatment into patient care protocols, educating physicians and caregivers about its use and monitoring its real-world effectiveness and safety. Step 6. Post-market surveillance and access. Even after a treatment is approved, the company has started manufacturing. The journey doesn't end. Post-market surveillance continues to monitor the drug's safety and effectiveness in real-world settings. Additionally, efforts are made to ensure equitable access to the treatment, addressing factors such as affordability, availability, and healthcare infrastructure. Conclusion. The journey of a disease cure from the laboratory to patients' hands is a testament to human ingenuity, collaboration, and perseverance. It embodies the collective efforts of scientists, clinicians, regulators, and patients working together to combat diseases and improve human health. While this journey is fraught with challenges and uncertainties, each successful milestone brings us closer to conquering diseases and transforming lives. Kindly subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified anytime we release a new video with a life-saving medical innovation. You can contact us via the link in the description below for any medical inquiry.